Morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. It is October the 26th, I think. Could be 27th. But this queen here, she hatched. She's laying eggs. We looked at her the other day. Took the video of it, but the video didn't work for some reason. Been having situations with my cameras and speakers. She was hatched on this one was hatched on 10-3, and then we took that one out, and then one hatched on 10-11, which is this one. And let's see what we got. We took that frame from 10-11 and put back here in the back. We'll need glasses today. We have a little sunshine, partly cloudy. The weather's in the probably low 70s, upper 60s. Anyway, we're going to look in here and see what we got as far as eggs, and see if we need to put another frame in here. Put up some food. Yeah, girls. Lost my dog again. But this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames in it now. One of them is a super frame, which is 6 5/8. This one has nectar and some honey on it. That side has nectar. There's no beetles, but that's the first frame. Got some honey up here, and all this is nectar. This is pollen patty. This is pollen patty. That way they can feed the babies, because they don't have much pollen, if any. This frame here has nectar, honey, same thing with that side, and no bugs. We got honey up here, you got pollen down here. Excuse me, not pollen, nectar. I was thinking about pollen with the pollen patty. Some people don't feed the bees pollen. They wonder why the bees die during the winter. We'll have one coming up showing you how I feed for my winter bees. And I have very few losses during winter. Okay, that's beetle traps. Got 2 dead beetles. They're old dead beetles, but they're dead. Need to change that maybe. This one has honey, nectar. This one has the same thing. This is all honey. This is nectar. A lot of people think if they got honey, they'll be able to make it through the winter. Nah, not even in South Carolina. They have to have the pollen to make bee bread to feed the bees and feed the babies. This one here has nectar. They pretty much got it built out. This is built out here. They're filling it with honey or nectar. Don't see no queen yet. What I could do is go over here and get a frame of brood and put in here, and that way When they hatch, you'd have other places to lay, and I could put a empty frame in here. A lot of bees. There's Queen. I've already marked her. I marked her the other time when I was getting here. She was there. She is there. She is right there. And she has larvae and she has eggs. Those were all the bee, a lot of bees that come out or come back with her. Once she was mated, she came back. These are little ones building on some foundation. Looks like this little bit of wax. That was right there. We're just going to remove it because it goes around and around. Now, this one they're building out, but there's eggs in both sides. They need another frame because they're even building on the side. She has eggs in that she was building on the side. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to attach it up here. So those little eggs will hatch out. We're going to cut this off right here. Well, maybe not. We just cut a groove in it. We cut a groove in this right here, so the wire will go in it a little bit, so it'll be a little bit straighter. Okay. We're going to put it back in here for the time being. And I'll get 2 more frames and put in here with them. And they have their pollen patty. We're going to take this one. Seeing how they three of them over here with honey. That one is full with nectar and honey, or just nectar. Take that one, put it there. We're going to take their pollen patty and put there. This is one that just had some nectar on it. We're going to move that one over there. That one over there. And we're going to leave that like that. We're going to go get some more stuff to put on it. And I'm going to cut it off here until I go get those frames. They don't really need any place else to put honey. They need a place to put bees. But anyway, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. And y'all give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share. We like all those things. Y'all have a great day.